Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to issue PasteSpecial in MS Excel. So what is the work and how can we use it? Definitely we will see it now. So definitely here we have Naveed and Naveed again, definitely I copy it, and definitely here we have one and definitely I use one formula, and I change definitely background color or text highlight, definitely change the theme and I also change the text color as well. Now what I do, I will first select this cell and definitely I will copy it and I will keep my cursor here and then we'll go in paste, and here you can see that here we have paste. If you click on this arrow, so it will give you a paste special options. So definitely it is hard for you to understand in this way, so definitely I will go in PasteSpecial. As I click on it, as you can see that now I have a window. So it's asking that what do you want to paste, what do you want to paste. Whenever we do copy and paste, so what we copy and what we paste, so we copy all the thing, means all the formatting, all the color, means everything we copy. But let's suppose if you have for formula, and for example if you have sheet, or for example if you want to just copy formula, if you just want to copy formatting, if you just want to copy value, so definitely what will you use, you will use PasteSpecial. How? See, for example I just want to take the, for example, formula, for example I just want the formula, not the formatting, so definitely I will click on OK, and as you can see that here's the formula. Definitely I copy this formula from here, getting me. But as you can see that even though it has formatting, but you can see that now it does not have formatting or any text color change. Why? Because I say I just want to copy the formula. So for example if you have formatting, if you have applied formatting, if you change the text color, whatever you have changed, but if you just want the formula, so what we do, you just copy it, Control C, and wherever you want paste it, keep it, keep your cursor there, and definitely go in PasteSpecial and say just formulas. And let's suppose I just want the value, so I will click on values and OK, and as you can see that I have value 2. But if I double click on it, as you can see that I don't have any formula, I don't have any formula. So what I said, I just said I don't want, neither I want formatting nor I want you can say formula, I just want the value. And the what is mean the value, value means whatever is inside of this this cell. So 2 is here and I want 2, getting me, so value. If I copy, Control C, and if I keep my cursor here and I go again in paste, and I go in PasteSpecial, and here I say I just want format, means the formatting, neither value nor formatting, sorry, neither value nor formula, I just want the formatting. So definitely I will click on it, and as you can see that now if I double click on it, so there's nothing inside this full cell. And if I write, for example, Naveed, so definitely the color of this Naveen is yellow, and definitely there's no any value, there's no any formula, getting me. So PasteSpecial is very useful, PasteSpecial is very useful. If I copy it again and I will keep my cursor here, and if I go again in PasteSpecial, and if I say I just want to copy the comments, you know what comments are, validation, definitely we learn validation, data validation. If you want to learn data validation, so definitely see my tutorials on data validation. And if you just want the copy, for example if you just want to copy the column width, for example this is the column width now. If you want to copy the column width, you can also copy the column width. You can copy, if you want to copy all but except borders, you can also copy, means you can do many things. And if you want to escape blanks, you can also. And then what do we have, we have transpose. So let's run transpose. So I will take a new sheet, and here I will say, for example I'm making a sheet, so I say names and I say courses. Okay, so what I do, I first simply copy it and I will keep my cursor here and I will select this cell, and then I will go in PasteSpecial. And here what I say, I want transpose, I want it transpose. So I will click on transpose and I click on OK. As you can see that now we have something like this. For example if you have columns, for example if you have, right now we have just 2 columns, but for example if you have 13 columns or if you have 14 columns, and you want something like this, so definitely with the help of transpose, you no need to go and copy and then copy, then go again, then paste. No, you no need to do like this. You just copy it and then go in PasteSpecial and say transpose. So that definitely you will get something like this, getting me. And then what do we have next? We have definitely we will see. So here, for example, if we say 1, definitely 1, and I will copy. Okay, you know how to do this. And what I do, I say here 1 and 1. First I will copy it, Control C, definitely showing that we have copied, and I will go definitely I will keep my cursor here and I will select this both cells, cells, and I will go in paste and PasteSpecial, and I say that what do you want with this cell. So I say I want to add, for example, 1 will come here and it will be added here, 1 will come here and it will be added on 2. So I say I want to add, so I will click on I want add, I will click on add, and I will click on OK, and as you can see that now the value has been changed by 1. You can see that before it was 1 and it was 2, but now it is now it is 1, it is 2, and now it is 3. Why? Because we add one value. So for example, if you have a value, so just copy it, control C, and wherever you want to pass, just select this and go in PasteSpecial. And here, for example, if you want to add, if you want to multiply, so I say multiply, copy, definitely I okay, and as you can see the multiply, because 1 multiply 1 equals to 1, 1 multiply 2 equals to 2, getting me? So if you want to copy, if you want to do paste, definitely you can do here. So what you need to do, you need to just copy it, and definitely wherever you want to apply, just copy. I say just control C, and for example, if I want to apply this here, so I will just select this cell and I will go and PasteSpecial. For example, if I want to add, I will click on add, and as you can see that now it is 4 and now it's 5. Before it was 3 and it was 4, but now it is 5, getting me? So in this lecture, what did we learn? We learned PasteSpecial. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.